Hi, my name is Maybert Campen, and I'd like to just discuss the Fotona treatment that I got for my sleep apnea. I was diagnosed having sleep apnea and was on a CPAP machine for over a year. And I found out that DermaNuva does treat snoring and sleep apnea with a laser machine. So I signed up and had a series of 3 treatments, and lo and behold, it cleared the snoring up completely, according to my partner. Now, a year later, the snoring is slowly starting to come back, and now I'm going to stay on a maintenance program, and very happy to not have to wear my CPAP machine anymore.